Hey Gabriel, where are we going?
Again.
What is he gonna do there? What do you want him to do? Is he gonna win or lose? How is he gonna win?
I'm going to choke him out. Good luck, Mikhail. We love you. Good luck, Mikhail. We love you.
Good luck, Mikhail. We love you.
Good luck, Mikhail. We love you. Mikhail had no idea that Kaka came to and took the day off of work. Don't tell him. Twinsies! Where's the lollipop from? Look at Gabriel. So, Mikhail, how are you feeling right now?
Good.
What is your method that you will be using today?
My method is doing the stand-up rear naked choke.
Say it again.
Stand up, rear naked choke.
Stand up and naked choke? Okay.
Naked choke.
Rear naked choke. Okay, cool. Are you feeling good about this fight?
Yes, of course.
Do you think you're going to win?
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Do you think that you're going to be the champion of this entire thing?
Yes, I am the champion. What are you saying?
Do you have a special message to thank the people that helped you get here?
Yes.
What's your special message? What's your special message?
Okay. Please like Mommy.
No, don't tell him.
Thank you, Mommy, for playing me in Jiu-Jitsu. We love you.
Okay, and what else would you like to tell the world?
We love you. Please like, subscribe, and comment in my aunt's videos.
You guys heard it here first. He's a smart kid, guys. He's a smart kid. And he's a tough guy, right? All right, let me see your best pose. Wow. Oh my God! You guys are not ready for this. Oh my God! That's a whole bicep. Wow, you've been working hard, huh? All right, tell everybody goodbye and see you guys soon.
Goodbye. See you guys soon.
Hey, Ella.
Yeah?
Did you just put the lollipop on my microphone?
Yeah.
Are you excited for your brother?
Yeah.
What is he gonna do?
Stand up and do a choke.
He's gonna do a choke? Is that lollipop good?
Yeah, bro, I have some.
No, we got you one. It's over there. Okay. Say, look at me. Say, we love you, Mikhail. Good luck.
We love you, Mikhail. Good luck. Good luck, Mikhail. Good luck yourself.
What's Mikhail gonna do?
He's gonna choke everybody out.
Oh, he's gonna choke everybody out. That's right. Sophia, do you have a message for your cousin Mikhail?
Good luck, and I hope you win. You better be a winner so Mommy can do that funny edit again. If you didn't see the funny edit, go to Mikhail's last tournament video.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind. Actually, no, got chokehold on my mind. All right, guys. Okay, what do you want to say to Mikhail?
Go look yourself, Mikhail. Goodbye.
I'm very worried because I didn't hear what she said, and hopefully it's nothing bad.
In my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
seconds and you would have had that. 3 more. But that's okay. That's okay. That was still really good. Really good.
That's how you do it. Don't go easy. Don't go soft. Go hard.
You're good, you're good, you're good. You're good, man.
You did so good. You did so good. We're so proud of you. Those were some really good moves. You did very good. You should be very proud of yourself. Good job.
We're done.
Yeah, I think you're done. He's done, right? So yeah.
I don't want to do BJJ anymore.
No. Kyle, there's some fights that you're gonna win, and there's some fights that you're not gonna win. You've only been doing it for a year. Some of these kids have been doing it for 5 years. You can't quit if you don't win. You just have to use this to get better, okay?
Next competition, inshallah. We'll do better.
Okay.
That's alright, but there's no need to cry.
No, I'm gonna go in the deep lane again.
Relax. This is your second time competing. This is only your second time competing. Relax. You're good. Yeah? I lost in bodybuilding before I became a champion. A lot of times. I lost, and then I became a champion. That's it. Keep practicing. Keep training hard. You're going to get stronger and stronger and stronger and better. You understand? There's no need to fight because you did amazing. You know, me and Coco have never competed in jiu-jitsu ever. You're already doing so much better than amazing. Okay. So even that match, 3 more more seconds, you would have won because you were on top. You swept him very well in the end. That was incredible.
I didn't want.
I know, but time ran out. Even the first match, remember? You did the real naked choke. 5 more seconds, that guy wasn't on top off. The second match, it was 8 to 10. If you swept him, you were on top control. And if you had 3 more seconds in that control, you would have won. So you did amazing. Oh, incredible.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Hey, look what they gave me for you because you did so good. They said, you know that kid? Is that your son? And I said, no, that's my nephew. They're like, he did so good they forgot to give him his medal. Yeah, I told you.
Amazing.
Oh my God, they said he did so good. The lady told me he just needed 3 more seconds. I didn't know what that meant.
Let's go.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always.
What do you want? Tell me everything you want. Hold on. Start from the. Hold on. Start from the beginning. What do you want?
Fruits with eggs and look what Gabriel touched.
It's okay.
I want fruits with eggs and syrup and French toast.
No, he's not eating it.
Mommy.
Alright, so he's teaching him in the middle of the mall.
Don't do a standing. Standing, you move around. Okay? You understand what I'm saying?
Cool.
Remember, when you're standing, he can move around and he can get out of it. You saw how he was squirming out of it a little bit? He was getting out of the position. So if you get it, put one leg in, drop back, and put him in the body drop. He can't go nowhere. And guess what he has to do? He has to say, okay, tap. Okay? You do a very good job as a person scrambling to get to the back. But once you do that, drop back, okay? That's literally word for word good. Perfect. His coach was just, because he saw it.
When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just look it up. Don't be scared.
We're here because of you.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time.
Figure it out.
Let me see the other one. Most muscular. Most muscular. Now we gotta buy Miss Sophia a computer for her school work. A new computer. Do it again. Do it again.